Hi and welcome. We're gonna unpack this, what do we have here? Micro-ATX case by LC Power called 2004 MB. So what do we have here? We have two USB 3, two USB 2 and audio in front. Let's just take a real quick look at the box, not really that interesting, and time to open it up. Here it is, face first. With just a few vibrations, you get it out. Whoa, ouch, wow. Call me a noob. But I'm glad to entertain. Anyways, I think this is a bottom. Off it. Ow! Okay, lesson maybe learned. I hope I will not fry my CPU later. Okay, so we have some plastic wrap. That's very nice. Right, so minimal is what I'm going for here, and obviously what they were going for here. Let's just take a look. What is this? No, I thought maybe that was a label. But it's very incognito, and that's how I like it. The power supply goes at the top. There's a nice bag of goodies in there, and you have space for 4 cards. Alright, and you have these nice hand screwable screws. Let's see if that was enough. Nope, I took it out. Alright, and here it is. Ugly gray, but hey, it's cheap. Let's just take a look at the cables. Let me just pull them out in a moment. And of course, let's take a look at these goodies in here. Basically, we have everything we need to put a motherboard in, I'm guessing. And we have a microphone, a speaker, or, you know, the motherboard beeper. That's it. And as for the cables, the USB 3 ones are nice. I mean, the USB 3 one is nice. The other ones are as cheap as they get. And you can, oh yeah, they have little text labels. And of course, let's take a look at the front. It's a nice, nice grid. Oops, sorry for that. We have USB, audio, USB. Blue marks USB 3, obviously. As you can see, they're a bit shaky. That sucks. I'll write in the description if there's anything wrong with this, but I'm guessing it's just glued improperly and should be fine. Alright, let's just try to get out one of these. Let me just try to utilize the camera, doesn't really help. Alright, that didn't even break it, wonderful. I mean, that would be really a shame if it did, but these things are definitely not built to last more than 10 of these in and out takings. So there you go. I'll probably put 2 more USB-free slots in there. And that's it. Hope this helped. And I hope you will get your budget or power horse computer set up soon. Write a comment, let us know what kind of computer you're building. Always curious to find out what others make. I will have some i5 in here. Alright, so thanks for watching and good luck building your computer.